ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 23, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 8. ತ್ವದ್ಭಕ್ತಮೌಲಿರಥಚೋಪಿ ಚ ಲಕ್ಷಲಕ್ಷಂ ವರ್ಷಾಣಿ ಹರ್ಷುಲಮನಾ ಭುವನೇಷು ಕಾಮಂ ಸಂಗಾಪಯನ್ ಗುಣಗಣಂ ತವ ಸುಂದರೀಭಿಃ ಸಂಗಾತಿರೇಕರಹಿತೋ ಲಲಿತಂ ಚಚಾರ. Word by word meaning. Atha, then. Tvad-bhakta maulihi, the greatest among thy devotees. Saha api cha, he, Chitraketu, also. Laksha laksham, varshani, for many, many years. Harshulamanaha, happily. Bhuvaneshu, in all the worlds. Tava gunaganam, thy excellences. Sundaribhihi, by the beautiful Vidyadhara woman. Kamam sangapayan, causing to be sung to his heart's content. Sangati rekarahitaha, without excessive attachment. Lalitam chachara, wandered about happily. Then Chitraketu, the greatest among thy devotees, wandered about happily in all the worlds without excessive attachment to sense pleasures for many thousands of years, while the beautiful Vidyadhara women sang about thy excellences. Om Tat Sat.